Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Venmo to Cash App. First, if you're looking for an inside app tutorial, this is not the video for you. So I truly apologize because cannot log in to Venmo at the moment. So how to transfer money from Venmo to Cash App? Very simple. So of course, things that you need to know: enable direct deposits from your Cash App to make it like function as a bank account, which you can then link to Venmo, and you can apply, of course, a Venmo or for a Venmo debit card and or cash card example and add as a payment method to the opposite app. So if you apply or if you have a cash app card, you can enter it or add it to the Venmo application. Or you can do the opposite. If you have a Venmo credit card, like physical one, you can add it to your cash app, which will allow you, of course, to transfer the funds back and forth. And you can also use the same bank accounts for both Venmo and Cash App, which will let you transfer funds in either direction. So if you have a credit card, you can link it to both Cash App and Venmo and start sending money from this bank account to Cash App, from Cash App to the bank accounts, from the bank account to Venmo, and etc. So how to add a Cash App as a bank account on Venmo? Go to direct deposits. As an example, click on add a bank or card and simply course, where you find that is simply if you go to me, then settings, me, you'll find this at the bottom, like right. Settings, you'll find this at the top right once you click on me. And then, of course, you can go to payments methods, add a bank or card. So click on bank, of course, and use displayed verification system to enter your Cash App account. So the same, of course, will be for Cash App. Go to direct deposits, of course. Go to the bank icon or tap on the bank icon. Click on direct deposits. You'll need a cash card to enable that, of course. Then get the account number, enable accounts, and copy the account details from your Venmo. And then, of course, you can start transferring fund. You can transfer it instantly with a 1% fee, but it's capped at $10. But of course, if you don't want to get any fees, you can do that. But the transfer will not be instant. It will be delayed from 1 to 3 business days. And that's how you add or transfer money from Venmo to Cash App. So that's going to be for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.